Okay, we got the scope in there, and you can see that piston drill couldn't clean. There's the rings coming up, in a real nice shape. Here's some of that nice porting. McCullough was very popular for back in the 70s. See that porting they did. Always fun to look inside one of these old Macs. And like I said, it's in good shape, runs good. I'm going to try to show you the serial number. It's still on here. That's the cart serial number. I don't know if we can see it. It's hard to reach the scope in there and look at it. Yeah, there it is. It's hard to read, but there's the cart serial number. They're on stamped on the top of the cylinder behind the oiler there. I am not going to make a cut with this. It's just in too good a shape to go out there and get that chain all dirtied up. So this saw is not for the novice. This is for the professional collector, or somebody just loves these high performance kart engines if you want to take it out, but that would just ruin this saw, but it's there. So check it out.